New attractive summer outfit ideas for men. Our outfit number 1. Sky blue shirt with blue jeans and white sneakers. Outfit number 2. Black t-shirt with white pant and brown shoes. Outfit number 3. Olive shirt with olive pant and white sneakers. Outfit number 4. Striped shirt with brown pant and brown shoes. Outfit number 5. Navy shirt with white pant and brown loafers. Outfit number 6. Striped shirt with black jeans and black Converse. Outfit number 7. Sky blue shirt with brown pant and black shoes. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video. Thank you.